The Add group includes tools that create new elements, vertices, edges, and faces directly inside your model. Now, if you need to slice an object, add vertices, or introduce a new edge or line, this is the group you use. Most of the tools here either add geometry based on the current selection or generate new elements using the tool settings. To get you started, here are a few most commonly used tools in this group: the Push-Pull tool and the Bevel tool. In this scene, I'll start by creating a new object. I'll select the Box tool and draw a box in the workspace. Now that the box is in place, I'll switch to the Drawing group and choose the Rectangle tool. With it, I can draw directly on the surface of the box. With that shape created, I'll move down to the Add group and select the Push-Pull tool. This tool lets you select any face on the object, including the one created by the rectangle. When I click and drag on the face, I can push it all the way through the mesh, creating a clean hole. This is a great way to form openings or carve out new shapes while keeping the geometry tidy. Let's try another example. I'll use the Disc tool to draw a circular shape on the box. Once it's in place, I'll select Push-Pull again and drag through the mesh to cut out a circular hole. It works exactly the same way, and it's just very useful. Another important tool in the Add group is Bevel. I'll switch to Edge Selection and choose the Bevel tool. When I select the edge and apply the bevel, it creates a chamfered or rounded transition. In the properties, you can adjust the width or the number of segments to get the exact look you're looking for. There are many tools in the Add group, each designed to help you build and refine geometry efficiently. Exploring the documentation is a great way to learn which each one can do and how they can fit into your modeling workflow.